All right, let's turn our attention to the national capital that's facing an acute vaccine shortage. Now, let's tell you what's happening in Delhi. Now, the Delhi government has announced to temporarily halt vaccine drive for 18 plus from today. Aam Aadmi Party MLA Atishi Marlena has said that Covaxin doses for 18 plus are over and the stock for Covishield is left only for a day. For the 45 plus age group, Covaxin stock is left only for today and 8 days of Covaxin stock is left. Of the 2235 vaccine centers for 18 plus, only 133 vaccine centers are open due to vaccine crisis. The government has attributed the decline in vaccination to depletion of stocks and increase in gap for Covishield administration.
हम ये मान लें कि कोविशील्ड की भी सप्लाई तकरीबन समाप्त हो जाएगी। कोवैक्सीन का तो 0 डेज का स्टॉक है ही, कोविशील्ड का भी 1 दिन से कम स्टॉक है। इसका क्या मतलब है? इसका ये मतलब है कि कई सारे सेंटर्स जो आज ऑपरेशनल थे, जो 133 साइट्स पे आज वैक्सीनेशन लग रहा था, उसमें से भी तकरीबन ज्यादातर साइट्स कल बंद हो जाएंगी। तो कल के बाद दिल्ली में 18 to 44 की जो वैक्सीनेशन ड्राइव है, उसे हमें टेम्पररीली बंद करना पड़ेगा। वैक्सीन का स्टॉक तो वैसे भी हमारे पास काफी कम सप्लाई में ही है। अभी जो कोवैक्सीन का स्टॉक है उसे यूज किया जा रहा है सिर्फ लोगों को सेकेंड डोज वैक्सीन की देने के लिए, क्योंकि बहुत लिमिटेड सप्लाई में 45 प्लस के लिए भी कोवैक्सीन है। तो कोवैक्सीन का स्टॉक हम मानेंगे कि नॉर्मल जिस रेट पे वैक्सीनेशन होती है उसके हिसाब से 1 दिन से भी कम स्टॉक अवेलेबल है। और कोविशील्ड का 45 प्लस के लिए हमारे पास तकरीबन 8 दिन का स्टॉक अवेलेबल है।
All right, so that was Atishi Marlena who was citing vaccine shortage for closing some of the vaccination centers in the national capital. So earlier it was Covaxin, now Delhi is also witnessing a shortage of Covishield and they've almost run out of this vaccine, and from today they've temporarily shut vaccination for 18 plus. And earlier also we know that the Delhi government has been consistently raising their concern about depletion of vaccine stocks. My colleague Alok joins us for more. Alok, it's a very alarming situation because we know recently Delhi was witnessing its worst COVID situation. We know the numbers were going up. We know people were grappling for oxygen in hospitals and situation was really, really bad. And on top of that, we now know that the national capital is running out of vaccines, and so much so that over 100 vaccine centers have been temporarily shut in absence of enough stocks. What are the steps that the Delhi government and the center are planning to take, because this is a serious situation at the moment?
See, Archana, first we saw the politics over the oxygen supply in the national capital, and now we are seeing the politics over the vaccines supply in the national capital. So unfortunate situation right now. But let me tell you the situation on ground. There were vaccination started in the national capital from the first week of May for 18 above, and then there were centers around 300 vaccination sites were opened, but right now it has been reduced to 133 sites just because of the shortage of vaccines. First, the Covaxin's stock was not coming. For past 1 week, no stock of Covaxin has arrived in the national capital. And now the Covishield stock is left for just for a 1 day, means tomorrow, means from today onwards. After today, there will be no stock of Covishield left in the national capital. So it means from Monday, because Sundays no vaccination takes place, from Monday onwards, you are not going to get vaccinated in the national capital if you are above 18 and below 45 years. This is what the ground situation is. Now, what the central government says, that Delhi government did the order late. That is why the supply is also late. However, the Delhi government says that is not the case. In fact, it is because of the intervention of the center, because center has given the power to the state to directly contact the manufacturers and get the vaccinations and vaccines. And in fact, the Delhi government also says that they have already paid the amount Despite that, the vaccines are not coming. So what they are blaming that center's intervention, and center says that you have because you ordered late, that is why the vaccines are coming late. So this is the reason. We don't know who is saying right, who is saying wrong, but it is the people who are facing the brunt. Nobody is there who can tell us clearly that when the vaccines will come. In fact, yesterday, Atishi Marlena, who is Delhi's Aam Aadmi Party leader, she is categorically said that we don't know when the vaccines will arrive. So definitely people have to wait. But we still hope that the vaccines will arrive, the stock of vaccines will arrive, and the vaccination will start. Back to you.